Hey folks, Max here with the Merlin, and we're going to do a tutorial on Journey, Don't Stop Believing. This tutorial will rock a little bit more than we're used to, so I'm going to go through the second verse and then the chorus, and then we're going to see the chord progression, and we're going to see also the position of the fingers on the fretboard in order to basically achieve, basically make the chords. As was pretty much the same format I use usually, but this time it's going to be a little bit more rock. So I'm gonna go with it, and I can't sing over the distortion. So what I'll do is I'll just try to mumble. It's not gonna be real good, but just so you hear the lyrics in the song and to position them and to understand the song a little better. So be nice. It's not gonna, so the singing is not gonna be pretty. You can't adjust the tone without a mic with that kind of loudness. See? So okay, so let's start that Don't Stop Believing Journey. I feel everybody wants a thrill, playing anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose, some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends, it goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, reading down the boulevard, the shadows searching in the night. Street light people moving just to find emotion hiding somewhere in the night. Stop believing, hold on to the feeling. Street light people, don't stop believing, hold on to the feeling. Street light people. So that's it. I hope it doesn't sound too horrible as far as the voice goes, but hey, the idea was just to try to position the song with basically that you understand the song with the chorus progression. So we're gonna go unplugged for the chord progression. So on the second, so the verse starts. It's a D. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, playing anything to roll the dice just one more time. So basically that's D, A, B, BM, G, D, A, F, G. So the D, you achieve the D with the second fret, 3 and 4 locking, everything else open, so that's a D. And then an A, so first fret, first string, first fret, 3 and 4, first fret and second open, so that's an A. But BM is first string, second fret, second string, first fret, so that's a BM. Right? And then a G, you pinch all the strings on the third fret, so that's a G. You can also do first string. You can also do second string, first fret, and 3 and 4 on the third fret, and that's another G. And sometimes it's better to take this one and then this one, depending on which one's brighter. And the F is pinching all the strings on the second fret. So that's pretty much a progression for the verse, and then we're gonna do the chorus. So it start basically. So there's a chorus and an outro in this song. So basically, so I've been saying basically a lot, but you're going with a G, strangers waiting, and then you go a D. Boulevard, their shadows, back to G, searching in the night. So again, so on, and then you just going with the last string is hiding somewhere in the night. So you go on the A, and then you do a G, a D, sorry, A D G, and then you go back to the D. Don't stop, and the A, leaving, BM, G, D, A, F, G. That's pretty much it. So basically, again, D, right, and D, which are the same chords, right? It's D, don't stop, so second fret, leaving with the A, BM, and then the G, and you go in D, A, F, G. So that was a Journey, Don't Stop Believing tutorial. I think I didn't even mention it in the beginning, so sorry about that. But you guys will have probably understood, and I'm gonna put it in the title. So I hope you'll have fun with this, and next time I guess we're gonna be a little bit more folk, or at least not as distorted, not as rock, not as loud. So thank you, and ciao for now.